Hello guys, so this is how to upload a video from CapCut on YouTube. So first thing you're gonna need to do is open up CapCut and then open up the video or the project that you want to upload on YouTube. So for me, it's gonna be this halo effect video. So I'm just gonna click on it. And now if you look at the top right corner, you're gonna find this export button. Click on that. And now make sure you have all these settings customized for what you want. So you can choose the resolution, you can choose the frame rate, and you can choose the exact location you want to export the video to. So just click on this file icon and then choose the file that you want to export the video to. So it's already pre-selected for me. It's the CapCut file. And then just click on open. And then the final step for exporting is just clicking on the export button right here. So just click on export and it's gonna start exporting for you. Now, once the video is exported, you can go ahead and share it to YouTube directly from CapCut, but I'm gonna show you how to do this from YouTube itself. So if you go to Chrome and then go to youtube.com, you're gonna find this video icon at the top right corner. So just click on it and then click on upload video. You're gonna have this box to drag and drop the video in, or you can just select the file. So I'm just gonna do that. And then I will just scroll down, find the halo effect video, and then click on open. And as soon as you do that, it's gonna start uploading for you. You can see the progress right here at the bottom. So it's 3% right now. And in the meantime, you can just go ahead and start filling in the title, the description, adding your thumbnail, and then just add all the customizations you want for the video. I'm not going to bother adding all of these things because this is just for demonstration purposes. So I'm just going to click on next. Oh, let me choose that it's made for kids. Click on next, then click on next again, and then choose the privacy options. So you have the private, unlisted, or public options. So for me, it's just going to be public. And then as soon as the video is done uploading, you can go ahead and click on the publish button right here, and your video will be published on YouTube. So yeah, this is how easy it is. This is how to upload a video from CapCut to YouTube.